Ito mga kababayan matapos nga po lumantad sa social media si former Ako Bicol Party List representative na si Zaldico kung saan direkta niyang pinangalanan ang dalawang mastermind di umano sa matinding korupsyon na nagaganap sa Pilipinas at diretsahan niyang itinuro ang magpipinsan na sila former Speaker Martin Romualdez at Pangulong Bongbong Marcos. Dahil sa isiniwalat ni Zaldico, marami sa mga netizen ang natutuwa sa ginawang paglantad nitong si Zaldico. Ayon sa ilang netizen, isang matalinong tao si Zaldico dahil kanyang ni-record ang kanilang pag-uusap ng isa sa mga opisyal ng gobyerno. Kumbaga mga kababayan, alam umano nitong si Zaldico na baka dumating ang oras, siya naman ang traidorin ng gobyerno ni Marcos katulad sa ginawa nila sa Vice Presidente Inday Sara Duterte. At nangyari nga po yan dahil patong-patong na kaso na ang isinampa ng gobyernong Marcos laban kay Zaldico. Panoorin ang full video.
Just finished signing the bicameral conference with the senators and congressmen. Pasok yung sinabi ko sa Midlas last week sa missing list. Okay? Naipasok lahat, additional of 8 billion. Nauna yung 8 billion sa HGAP. Now, naipasok ko rin namin another 8 billion. That's 16 billion. So, total yung buong 350 pesos na yeah.
Can I take a video of you, sir?
Sure.
Yes, sir. I can show it to the staff, sir, as the personnel when I talk to them next on the 14th of Saturday, sir. Thank you.
No, brother. Maganda yan malaman ng mga staff na we are taking care of instruction by our speaker, instruction by the president. Yan. Maganda yan na malaman ikaw sa Solcom to malaman ng mga troops natin. And actually, we'll see you on Friday. Are you coming sa Nadating ka ba sa Friday? December 30. Yun din ang formal natin.
Sa evening na siguro, sir.
Evening. Dadating si speaker. Si speaker kami ulit ng dalawa. So, inform you on that. So, hopefully, ma-approve na yun sa plenary for ratification yung pinirma ng BICAM. Sa Senate, they will also approve this afternoon. Para yung 7.5 plenary receipt ng CAPRO, magkakaroon sila more or less dagdag na 10,500. So, that's more than double of their salary. So, please, okay, na-inform din namin kanina si Chief Browner, but I want to inform you, Mr. Diretso, kasi kaya nag-usap na sa Mississippi and we announce it that, we make sure na an additional of 8 billion of the BICAM will thank God na we're successful tayo na naipasok natin ito sa kasundaluhan. So, please inform our soldiers na tuloy and then the President will approve the budget more or less December 20. So once approved yan, starting next year, meron ng allocation ng ating mga kasundaluhan ng 350 pesos a day na subsistence allowance.
Maraming salamat po, sir. Makakarating po, sir. I'll show the video to all our staff and mga sundaluhan po dito sa Solid, sir.
Yes.
Maraming salamat.
Thank you for your service. Kami here to support the AFP, the military in uniform. So, yung mga black propaganda dyan na we are close with the hindi totoo yan. Gawagan nila yan para lang maraming mga putol-putol dyan. So, anyway, that's it. We're successful and thank God na tuloy ko.
Thank you po, sir. Do you have can we request a short message sa ating mga tapasin sa mga personnel natin ng mga tropa?
Sure. To all our soldiers on the ground, we have a Merry Christmas.
We are fully committed to support all of you and keep your morale high. Always take care of you. Please convey that.
Thank you.
Mabuhay ang AFP. Mabuhay kayo lahat. signed here in the FICA, the ratified tonight in the plenary. We'll ratified budget on Wednesday, and the president will sign it into law. That is as good as gold. So I just wanted to allay any fears that there was anything other than what we had committed to some balance to you and to the troops. Mabuhay, 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 mabuhay. We look forward to our fellowship on the 13th. Okay. Mabuhay. Merry Christmas to all. Thank you, thank you. Thank you, thank you. Yes. More will be coming. I'm looking for more ways to support the troops. Assure them. We assure them more for next year as well. Thank you, thank you.